Did you know one man's final act of revenge changed the course of an entire nation? Samson had lost everything. Betrayed by Delilah, captured by his enemies, and blinded by the Philistines who gouged out his eyes. Now he was chained in their temple as entertainment for 3,000 cheering spectators celebrating their god Dagon. But what they didn't know was deadly. Samson's hair was growing back, and with it, his supernatural strength was slowly returning. Positioned between the two massive pillars holding up the entire temple, the blind prisoner made one simple request. He asked a servant boy to guide his hands to the pillars so he could rest. Then Samson prayed in a one final prayer, asking God for strength to avenge his blindness. He pushed against both pillars with everything he had. The entire temple collapsed instantly. Everyone inside was crushed, including Samson himself. This single moment of vengeance killed more Philistine leaders than Samson had defeated in his entire career as the judge of Israel. One man's sacrifice ended Philistine dominance forever.